Hey guys, it's me Priceless Beauty, and today I'm going to be doing DIY with this. Yep, a love sign. So I've got this love. I bought it on Facebook for cheap. I was hoping it was really big, but it wasn't really big. I was going to use it to make a table, but not as big as I imagined it. So I could still make something with this. So let's get started. So the ingredients you're going to need is a snow white grater. I've also got a silver grater that is mixed with other graters a bit. The thing with snow white grater, it's not really shiny. You can see some shine in it, but it's not really shiny. So I'm just going to be adding a little bit of the silver grater, not too much because I want it white. Yeah, I think that is enough. Just a little bit, so it give it a little bit more glittery shine. Yeah. And the next thing is I'm gonna be using Mod Podge. Here I got my big Mod Podge. I'm gonna be pouring some in here. So after I put the Mod Podge on, I just sprinkle the grater on to cover the whole surface. So that's what I'm doing, and then after the first coat there wasn't much difference. You can see it was a bit hard to cover it, so next time I'll actually paint it white if I'm doing a project like this before I cover it with the grater, in order to save your grater. Otherwise you're going to be using a lot of product to cover it. So I've just covered it. I've gone over it about 3 times. Hard to keep going over it. So next time if I'm doing any project like this, I will paint it. Like, it's more helpful if you paint it the color that you're doing. If it's white, you paint it white. If it's silver, you paint it silver before you put the silver grater on it or the white grater on. I've got these small mirrors here, which I'm going to be sticking like this. So I'm using the E6000 glue to stick the mirrors down. So after I put the mirror on, I'm just gonna go around with more ribbons to decorate it to make it look a bit more, stylish and lovely. So that's what I'm doing. Just going over it with lots of ribbons. Yeah. So I'll continue to stick the ribbons all around it to give it a bit of more deco. My advice here is, like, if you doing a deco that needs sticking ribbons and all that, invest in glue gun and glue sticks. As it dries faster, it will help your work to go quicker. And then after you use the glue sticks and the glue gun, you apply this glue to give it a permanent hold and a more stable hold. Yeah, so that's one thing I will do next time. I've got glue gun and glue stick, but since I've dressed, everything was piled up. I couldn't find anything at all. It's really hard to find anything. After the ribbons, I left it overnight for it all to dry before continuing, as it was too wet. So I went ahead and added some mirror ties to it. This is how the final result is. Looks beautiful. It's the final result. Let's close up. Fit very well with my decor. Hope you like this. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye.